Hello everyone, this is Rick Darlington. Now once again in this video tutorial, I'm just to show you how to transfer WhatsApp messages from your iPhone to Android. In your daily lives, there are so many times you just need to transfer WhatsApp messages such as the photos, videos and some other documents from iPhone to Android. First of all, maybe you want to ask whether there are some free solutions that could be used to transfer WhatsApp messages from iPhone to Android or from Android to iPhone. I'm sorry to tell you that this is at the moment is impossible because the Android and iOS system is not compatible with each other. So at the moment you have to just use some WhatsApp transfer softwares to transfer the WhatsApp messages between Android and iPhone. Maybe you could just find so many solutions from YouTube tell you that you could transfer WhatsApp between Android and iPhone for free, but that is probably just wasting your time. So now let's just get to the point. And the first WhatsApp transfer software I will introduce is called the Phone WhatsApp transfer. This software could let you transfer WhatsApp messages between Android and iPhone, from iPhone to Android into sector. So you could just download it or visit its website and to learn some more details. This is its interface, and you can see actually it has so many different options like the data recovery, phone manager, screen unlock, phone transfer, system repair, data eraser, and intersector. Actually, the phone software is very popular around the world with many different features. But today I just introduce its WhatsApp transfer. So after tapping on the WhatsApp transfer, you could find this interface. There are four options. You could first of all transfer WhatsApp messages from iPhone to Android or from Android to iPhone. Additionally, you could also just transfer some other social apps like the Line, Kik, Viber, and WeChat messages. So if you want to transfer WhatsApp messages from iPhone to Android, you could just tap on this option called Transfer WhatsApp Messages. Besides, some other options could also be found, like backup WhatsApp messages to your computer, including the photos and videos, in case you just lose some very important WhatsApp messages from your mobile phone. And in addition, you could restore some WhatsApp messages to your iPhone iOS device like the iPhone or iPad, which is very convenient. Or you could restore WhatsApp messages to your Android device. So now just tap on this option, transfer WhatsApp messages directly from the iPhone to Android or vice versa. Please note, with this software, you do not need to root your Android phone in order to transfer WhatsApp messages. To start with, you could just first of all connect your both Android and iPhone device to the computer, and there set the iPhone as the source device on the left if you hope to transfer WhatsApp messages from iPhone to Android. You can also just tap on this flip button to change the direction, such for example transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone into sector. So after that, you could just click on the transfer button, and it's very important to note that you could choose the specific type of the WhatsApp messages. For example, only choosing some photos, videos, or some parts of the WhatsApp messages to free up the space on your new Android device. So after tapping on the transfer button, it will start transferring the WhatsApp messages from your iPhone to Android device. You may want to ask then whether the software is free to use. I'm sorry to tell you that it's not free to use. The Dr. WhatsApp transfer software will cost you, you could visit its website, cost you $21.95 per year or $29.95 for a lifetime license. You could just select your preferred option. For 1 year license, it reminds you that there is no water reviewer. If you want to renew the license, you could just contact them, which means that during the process, if you want to successfully transfer WhatsApp messages from iPhone to Android, that you need to first of all get the license to finish the process. Now, after that, the secondary WhatsApp transfer software I will give you today is called the iPhone for WhatsApp from the Tenorshare. This WhatsApp transfer tool could also let you transfer your WhatsApp messages from the iPhone to Android. After downloading the software, you could just choose the social app transfer, and the interface is very simple to use. If you want to transfer WhatsApp messages, just tap on this option. Besides, you could transfer the line chats between the iOS devices. So if you could just tap on this option to transfer WhatsApp data from iPhone to Android or vice versa. It is very similar to use compared to other WhatsApp transfer tools. First of all, just connect your iPhone and Android devices to the computer, and there set your iPhone device as the source and the Android as the destination device. After the devices are recognized, you just need to tap on the transfer button to start transferring the WhatsApp messages between Android and iPhone. Similarly, this software is also not free to use. Due to the process, you need to get the license to finish transferring WhatsApp messages from iPhone to Android. For the iPhone for WhatsApp transfer, the price for 1 month is $19.95. Please note that for this software, if you choose the 1 month license, you need to cancel the water renewal before it is charged once again. So just for 1 year license, it will cost you $39.95. For this software, apart from the social app transfer, you could also find so many different options, like transfer your device media to iTunes, or transfer iTunes media to your some devices, as well as exporting your photos to your computer. So it's very simple to use. In addition, you could even find some more advanced tools just by tap on this button. For example, you could, if you hope to recover some lost contacts or text messages, you could use its alt data or some other programs. Now, the third WhatsApp transfer tool I will introduce today is called the iTransfer WhatsApp from iPhone. This software could also let you transfer WhatsApp messages from iPhone to your Android or vice versa. It's very easy to use. Just to connect your devices to your computer, and after that select the specific WhatsApp messages like some photos, chats or some documents, and then tap on the transfer button. On top of that, you could back up the WhatsApp messages to your computer in case you just lose them someday in the future, as well as restoring WhatsApp messages to the devices. So it's very the interface it's very easy. So you could just take it a try. And similarly, this software is also not free to use. In terms of the price, it's cost to you $29.95 for 1 month. And also, once again, if you choose the 1 month plan, just remember to cancel the renewal plan, otherwise you may be charged once again if you do not need it anymore. So if you hope to learn some more details, just you could click on the link below this video and check all of the detailed features for these softwares, and take them a try by downloading them on your computer or on your Mac. After knowing these WhatsApp transfer tools, if you hope to find some more tools or apps to transfer WhatsApp messages from iPhone to Android, you could just click on the link below the video and then find some more details. For example, you could apart from the software I just introduced, you could also use the backtrace iPhone WhatsApp to Android transfer, which could let you transfer WhatsApp messages from iPhone to Android, although this is also not free to use. On top of that, you could even download this app called the WhatsApp Migrator to transfer WhatsApp from the iPhone to Android. It is also not free. It may just cost you some money. You could just download this app from the Google Play or from the iOS store. You could even just check some reviews from some users about how whether it is efficient to use this app to transfer WhatsApp messages from iPhone to Android. And if you hope to download it, just visit its website and download this app to transfer the WhatsApp messages from the iPhone to Android. And finally, if you just get a few some WhatsApp chats to transfer, you could even try to use the email solution to transfer WhatsApp from the iPhone to Android for free. So the solutions, first of all, just you could launch the WhatsApp on your. You could just follow these solutions and say whether you could try to transfer WhatsApp messages from iPhone to Android for free. So that is the solution I just gave you today about how to transfer WhatsApp messages from iPhone to Android. In general, all of these softwares are not free. You could just download them one by one and take it a try, see whether they could help you transfer the WhatsApp messages from the iPhone to Android. If you get some more good suggestions, also just feel free to let me know. Thank you.